Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and in this video we will be working up with shipping methods. Okay, so first we have enable shipping, which is defaultly checked by Wordpress WooCommerce plugin. Then we have enable shipping calculator, which is also checked, and then we have hide shipping cost until address is entered. Okay, so if you want to check, then you can check, and if you don't want, then no problem, you can go on with it. Then we have display shipping mode in radio buttons. The radio buttons are like this. This is the radio button, and drop down is like this. So you can even display your shipping methods in buttons, or you can even display in the drop down like this. So if you want radio buttons, then you can move on to radio, but I would recommend you guys to go with radio buttons so that the user may not have to go and look for shipping methods here. Okay, then we have shopping destination, default to shipping address. Okay, and then we have only ship to the user billing address. Make sure that you have checked this one. And then we have ship to all countries you sell to. Okay, so make sure that this is checked. Ship to all countries you sell to. Then we have in the top, we have flat rate, free shipping, international delivery, local pickup, local delivery, and local pickup. So we will configure this. Then free shipping is defaultly enabled. Okay, and nothing is enabled then. So we will first look at the flat rate settings. So you can even click here, or you can even click in the flat rate here. Okay, so we have disabled this shipping method. We will enable it first. Then we have this flat rate. We have all allowed countries. We can even use specific countries. Just let me use specific countries. Okay, we have Canada, UK, and US. These are our three specific countries. Make sure that you don't check all allowed countries, because we will allow some other countries in our international delivery, like China or India and something like that. So we can allow in international delivery, but we have our specific countries. If you choose all allowed, this will be done, but when we will add our other countries here, then this will be a mess up for you. You will have to come here again and change some stuff. So make sure that you click specific and then enter all the countries where you want this shipping method to be enabled. Okay, then we have our tax status, which is non-taxable. Then we have cost per order. You can charge. Now it will ask you how you want to charge your users or your customers, even per order, per item, or per class. So the per class would be very easy for you if you guys know which products you are going to create. Like you can create a class about for the shirts. If someone is selecting a product, and if it's shirt, then it will charge something like $2, $3, and if it's crockery, then it will charge something like $6 or $7, or you can even go with per item. Then when you will go to the products and add product, then it will ask you how much shipping charges you want. Okay, so you can even go with per item, or you can even go with per class. So per class would be easier for you. Like you will come here to the per class, you will go to the shipping classes, open link in new tab. Let me open link in new tab, and I can add a shipping class here. Like this will be shirts, and its slug will be shirt. So this is basically the URL. Okay, and then nothing I need, and I have to click add new shipping class. Okay, and this shirt has been added. Now I have to first save the changes, and then I have to come here. I'll click add cost shirt. The shirt has been selected, and the shirt, if when I will add a product, okay, let me add something like $6, and then save changes. So when I will add a product, it will ask me to select a class, a shipping class. So I will select shirts, and this will cost $6 for shipping. So this is class, and this would be easier for you to go but you can even go with per item. This would be also better. You can directly add them into, but many people use per class, so we will be moving on with per class. Okay, just let's save changes. Then we have free shipping. Okay, let's come here, which is enabled, and we have method availability, all allowed countries. We only need to specific countries: UK, US, Canada. And then we have free shipping requires a minimum order amount or a coupon, and the minimum order amount should be, you can choose a free shipping coupon or a minimum order coupon or a minimum order amount or a coupon or a minimum order amount and a coupon. Okay, so what I will choose, minimum order amount should be above $300 or $299. It's a great way of marketing to price everything $299 or $399. Then we have our international delivery. This is a very important topic. If someone is out of the selected countries we selected here, like if someone is out of Canada, United Kingdom, and United States, but we haven't defined which countries we are selling to, so what we will do, we will come to the WooCommerce settings, general. In the general option, we have Canada, United Kingdom, and United States, which is all countries. So if someone is out of that country, we won't ship the product. But if someone is from China or Japan or India or Pakistan, China, Japan, India, Pakistan, then we will charge them international shipping, which will be something like $49 or $50 or maybe $100. So let's go to now shipping, international delivery, and then we have enable this shipping method, and we have selected country. We can even exclude the United States, United Kingdom, or Canada country, or we can even select Pakistan. Like we have our China, I will select this. Then we have India, then we have Japan, and then we have Pakistan. Okay, so we have now these 4 countries. So if someone is from these 4 countries, then we will charge them international delivery, which will be per order. We can even charge them for per order. We can even charge them for per item. So if someone is buying some item for $1, then he has to pay maybe like our shipping cost. Like if we are charging them $99, and so I think so that per item is very bad to use. We will use per order so that the customer not has to pay a lot of money for the product he is buying. Okay, so choose $99 or $100 if you want to. Then we have our handling fee. This you can choose, so like you can even charge them percentagely. Like if someone is buying a product of $100, then we will charge him the double. We can charge him 100%, or we can charge him 50% fee, like that he has to pay $150. So we can even charge them 50% like this, or we can even charge them 100% that he has to pay the double amount of money, or we can charge him only $99 per order. Sorry, you have to check per order. Then we have our handling fee. The person who is going to take like the TCS or the companies. So I will only add cost and nothing here. Then save changes. And then we have a local delivery, which will be like if someone is within our country. Like if I'm in the United States and if someone is also in the United States, then he can choose with local delivery. So the local delivery is fixed amount. Okay, then we have delivery fee would be $3 only, or we can choose $2. Then we have allowed zip postcode. So this is a great way to sort your zipping codes. Like if someone's zip code matches your product, like I G 11 8PG. This is my zip code, okay, and I need someone's zip code to be IG1 and then XXX. So his zip code can be 1 word, 2 word, and 3 words. So if his zip code matches with this one, then I will ship this product to, and the specific country is there, so we will only use UK. Okay, and I will save the changes. So if someone is within my house or within my shop, then he can access local delivery, and he can even order local pickup. Like he will come to me and he will ask for the product and I will give it to him. So for that, I need the zipping code must be IG1 and then underscore underscore underscore. This states that you want 3 words, or I can even go with something like the here is comma. If you want to define 2, then you have to add comma, and I can even use I and then star. So this refers to IG1 and go on and move on. So if someone first word is I, then it will go. So now I will method availability is to specific countries, which is UK, and I will save the changes. So now we are finally done with our shipping option. This was somehow very bit confusing. I would highly recommend you guys to watch it again, okay, so that you might understand it correctly. We understand the flat rate, we understand free shipping. Like if someone, we have some loved ones or we are running a promotion, we can give them free shipping. The flat rate is for people like simple people. We have in our returning customer, we can say, like if someone is within our countries, UK, USA or Canada, then he can offer flat rate. And if someone is out of that, we defined here in the general category what we defined here, like if someone is out of that, which is Japan, India, Pakistan and China, then he can access international delivery. So this is a great way for that. Then we can even choose a default one. You make sure that you check automatic, because if someone is from Pakistan, then he can't access flat rate because we haven't allowed flat rate for Pakistani users or Indian or Chinese or Japanese. Okay, so save changes. And now in the next video, we will be moving on with accounts. So make sure that you guys watch this video again. I would highly recommend you, because this was somehow very confusing. So stay tuned and goodbye.